Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the car. Put on gloves and eye protection and make sure the engine is off and the key is removed. Once done, set the parking brake. Locate the negative terminal marked with a minus sign and usually black. This is the first clamp you remove to avoid shorts. Use a 10 mm wrench or socket. Break the nut counterclockwise until the terminal is loose enough to twist free. Keep the cable away from the battery post to prevent. Once the negative cable is clear, move to the positive clamp but treat it second. Loosen the clamp nut and any retaining bolt. Back off just enough to free the clamp. If the clamp is stuck, use a terminal puller or gently twist and rock while pulling. Avoid prying hard and damaging the post. For corrosion, spray a little penetrating oil and wait a few minutes, then clean with a baking soda paste and a wire brush. This restores contact and makes removal smoother. You're at the finish line. Lift the loosened clamp straight off the battery post, keeping movement vertical to protect the post. Once removed, secure the loose cable away from metal with tape or a cap and cover exposed posts to prevent accidental shorts. If the clamp refuses to come off, apply a brief heat source to expand metal or use a proper puller. Do not hammer. If the clamp or cable is cracked, replace it. Corrosion or a hidden bolt often causes stubborn seizure. Inspect closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.